Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic of discussion is antidiuretic hormone. At first, the introduction. Antidiuretic hormone, also known as arginine, vasopressin, or just vasopressin. ADH is basically posterior pituitary hormone. It is polypeptide in nature and contains nine amino acids. Next comes the actions of ADH. ADH basically performs two main functions. The first function is retention of water and the second is vasopressor action. At first, the retention of water. As the name indicates, the major function of ADH is the retention of water. ADH, antidiuretic hormone, the hormone which interact or counteract the mechanism of diuresis. Next are the physiological effects of antidiuretic hormone. This hormone basically affects the kidney. The single most important effect of antidiuretic hormone is to conserve the body water by reducing the loss of water from the body in the form of urine or by producing the concentrated urine. It means ADH basically produces the concentrated urine to conserve the body water. Next effect is on the vascular system. In many species, the high concentration of antidiuretic hormone causes a widespread constriction of arterioles. It means that when ADH is given, it causes the constriction of arterioles. That constriction of arteriole causes the increase in arterial pressure. Arterial pressure then leads toward the increased blood pressure. Therefore, the name given vasopressin. Here is the physiological pictorial representation of ADH. When the baroreceptor and osmoreceptors are activated, hypothalamic neurons and posterior pituitary gland releases the hormone ADH. ADH then acts on the kidney and blood vessels via two different functions, via two different mechanisms. The first mechanism is vasoconstriction, and by acting on the kidney, it increases the reabsorption of water. Reabsorption of water is increased, then that leads towards the increased blood volume and increased blood pressure. Thank you.